Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, July the 28th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 Stars Sudoku. Well, it turns out it's a 0 stars puzzle. We have 3 puzzles left: the binary, the tectonic, and the 4 Stars Sudoku. And I've mentioned earlier, next week will be the first Friday of the month. I will do a speed test with the regular puzzles, but first let me continue with this 4 Stars Sudoku. 4 Stars Sudoku number 6826. Again, yeah, 6826. And I've told you before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Alright, we'll see if this is really a 4 stars puzzle. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, we have here 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s, what are 5s, 1 2 5s, 2 6, 3 6s, 3 7s, 3 8s, oh no, 4 8s. All right, and how many 9s? 3 9s. So the 8s are in majority. Can I start with 8? That's the question. I don't think so. Cannot start with the 8. Will be difficult. All right, which number can I pick then? Well, look. It's divided here. We have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 5, and the 7. We have 1, the 5, and the 7 in this column, so no 1 and the 5 and the 7 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and the 5 and the 7 goes in those 3 boxes. We have a 5 here, so the 5 could be here, could be there. So the 1 and the 7 could be everywhere. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 3 6. So we have a 6 in one of these 3 boxes in this column, 6 in the column next. On last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 okay. 4 1 3 3 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1 3 4, 1 3 4, 1 3 4, 1 3 4, and look, we have a 1 and a 3, 1 of these 3 boxes in this column, so no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 1 anymore. So 1 box left for the 1, yeah, we have a 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. And last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes here. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, 2 is missing, 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be there, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, and the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 3 5 7. Okay, so now let me think 9 9 8 8. Well, we have 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 5 9 4 5 9 4 5 9 4 5 9, and look, we have a 4 and a 5 in this column, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this row for number 9. Okay, I don't want to mark those boxes with 4 and 5 because it's outside a big square, otherwise I will make mistakes. Okay, so we need to wait. 3 3 2 2 6 6 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row there are only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 2 7 6 2 2. Yeah. No 1. Well, 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. Well, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in this column could be here, could be there. This box can also not be a 1 because we have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this row, third row, no 1 there. So the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So the other pair in this column are the numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have 8 in this row, second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. We have 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for 1 should be down. 4 4 5 and then 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 5 9 4 5 9 4 5 9 4 5 9, and look, we have 4 and a 9 in the second row, so no 4 and a 9 in this box. 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 3 and 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 7. 3 and 7, 3 and 7, yeah. 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Okay, let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 4 and then 9, 3 4 9. Yes, 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. So now I need to wait for 4 4. Yeah. 2 2 3 6 2 3 6. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 here. And a 1 here. Okay. 9 9. How about 8 8 8. 2, 2, need a 2 here. 5, 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column, so the column next down, the place left with 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left with 5 should be there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the middle row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 5, alright. 2 and the 7. 2 and the 7, 7. 7. Well. 8 we have here. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 and the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. We have a pair. We have a 3 and 8 in this column, 3 and 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 3 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. And look, we have 3 and 8 in this row, so no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 1, 2, 7. Okay. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. Let me see the 8. Do we have all the 8s? No. How about the 3? Yeah, 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between, the only place left with 3 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 6. Okay. 2 and the 6. Let me mark those. Here can be 1. Yeah. 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. And look, we have 1 and 2 in this column. Third column, so no 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 6. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Yeah. So we have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. Is here 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. 2 and the 7, 2 and 7, 2 and 7, 2 and 7. 2, 7 and okay. Well, we have here 2 missing numbers. Those missing numbers in the first column are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Well, here also 2 and 7 because we have here the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing here. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. So here we have a pair, 2 and 7. Here also 2 and 7. Well, that means these 2 missing numbers in this row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. So So we have a 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Do we have all the 9s? Yeah, we have all the 9s. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. How about the 4s then? And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 4. Okay. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So the column between, only place left for the 1 should be there. Now, 2 and a 7. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square. 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 7 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 7, well, the 2 we already have, so this box should be a 7 then. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and 8, we have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well. 16 minutes. Is this a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes. Otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Especially the tectonic, I'm interested because this one has 10 printed digits. Alright, until then, bye bye for now.